Hey, it's Todd with The Stop Shop. Today we're going to talk about our pre-bent brake line kits for 67 to 69 Camaro and Firebird. We make two different line sets, one that's made for this adjustable style valve that's become really popular. Another line set that's made for this brass style fixed valve that comes in a lot of disc brake conversion kits. And aftermarket booster assemblies. It's critical that you know which valve you're going to use before you buy a brake line kit, because the fitting sizes are different, the orientation of how they go into the valve is different. So if you don't know, you have a pretty decent chance that you're going to be either making a lot of modifications or shipping product back and forth. We'll start off with our fixed valve kit. It comes with the two lines that come off the master cylinder and go into the valve. Then you have one line that comes out of the top port and goes to the driver's side front wheel and meets up with the hose that comes off the caliper. Another line runs across to the passenger side wheel. We have the large port in the back. It's a 9/16/18 fitting that comes out of the back for the line that runs to the rear. That line drops down to the frame, goes into a union about halfway back that we also include in this kit, and then hits a second line that goes the rest of the way to the rear end before this end goes into the flexible hose at the rear end. We include that flexible hose in all kits. On 67 and 68, that male end of the hose is going to screw into the factory block on your car. So you're going to have to reuse that block. On 69, the block is actually part of the flex hose, so the hose that we include will have it on 69. If you're buying a brake line kit for the adjustable valve kit, it actually does not come with the rear axle lines. Those are sold separately with those kits. For the fixed valve kits, we do include those lines, and we offer both a rear drum kit, so just like the factory ones, go right out into the wheel cylinders. And then we have another version, if you've converted to rear disc, we shorten those lines by about 8 inches per side, so that you have room for the flexible hoses that come off your calipers on the rear to go out and meet up with these. So again, I can't stress enough, if you got a car up on the lift, you order in a brake line set, you're trying to get a project done, you want to confirm that you're buying the right set ahead of time. Save yourself a headache, save yourself money. And we're going to put up on the screen right now a list of all of our part numbers. So whether you're buying stainless steel or regular steel, whether you're using this adjustable valve or the fixed valve, and whether you have 2-wheel or 4-wheel disc for the brass valve kit. So save yourself a headache, find the right part, and thank you so much for watching today.